my goodness!
Go there.
I have to look at this because this one is all fluxy. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So
all you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
This morning I got up about an hour ago. Get myself ready because I have a 20 past 11 appointment. So I'm gonna go get a facial. And today is my day off. I'm back to work tomorrow. I was off yesterday. Listen, I'm fighting this double chin, you know. I'm fighting it like Mike Tyson. I'm fighting it like Evander Holyfield. I'm fighting this double chin like Muhammad Ali. But yeah, so anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I can't take you inside because they don't want you to have cameras inside the salon because it's compromising their clients, and not everyone wants to be on camera, and their staff members as well. So it's a strictly no camera policy in no videoing or anything like that inside. I can show you where I'm going and when I get outside the shop, but I can't take the camera inside because they say no. But yeah, so I have to respect the policy. You know, I can go to a different salon, but this one is near to my house and I've been going there for years. So but yeah, you have to respect people's space, and if they don't want something to happen in their place of work, then we don't do it. That's what YouTube is about. You can't be too invasive in people's lifestyle. You just have to just take your time, and if they say yes, if they say no, it's okay. But for me, I'm not bothered. I'm just gonna get it done, get a facial, and then I'm gonna probably pop to the drugstore to get some vitamins. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then I'm coming home, make dinner because I'm on an early shift tomorrow. So I have to go and I have to start early. So I went space at this now. I have to start my day early. It's 10:27 and look at the traffic. Some fruits. Lime, with mangoes, yeah. Can I want this one?
Very, very nice mango, love.
Yeah?
Yes. Look at that.
It's 3 for a pound, yeah?
Yeah, 3 for a pound. 150. Only 50. One this and one tangerine, yeah?
Yeah, and I want the peppers as well.
Sure. So you want in the same bag or the separate bag?
Yeah, same bag.
Okay.
But can I change it? I don't want to put it in the wrong. Take this.
Sure. So you give me 5 one, yeah?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
There we go. And
Thank
that's your
you.
mango. Get yourself very, very nice window. You want change.
Thank you.
Have a good day, darling.
So, what do I need? Apples. Oh! Yes, I need a jug. So I got this one. That's the meat shop. Cheers, man. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, for all the youngsters and my daughter's age who's off to university, so you soak your kidney beans by putting it in water overnight. Now today I'm going to show you what the water looks like. So you see, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add this water into a pot. Oh, the smell of the garlic is just so amazing, the aroma, oh my gosh. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to the pot and put it on the cooker. Normally you can put this in a pressure cooker pot, to let it pressure quicker, and it gets really soft quickly. Or you can just put it in a pot with some water in it. Add some more water to it, like I'm doing now. So I've added some water, and then I'm gonna put this kidney beans. Do you remember the color of the kidney beans before? And now it becomes that color. So I'm gonna put this now on the cooker and let it boil to the point where the peas are cooked. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now let's go. So now it's on the stove. I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna leave it to cook. I would say about 45 minutes. If you have a pressure cooker at home, or if you go to uni and you need a pressure cooker, you can buy one from Amazon or from eBay, one of them, August, one of them places. If you're not in the UK, you can get a pressure cooker from your local store. But yeah, so now I'm gonna leave that to boil for about 45 minutes, and then I'll check the peas if it's nice and soft. So you gotta keep feeling your peas. If it's nice and soft, that means the peas is ready, and then we move on from there. So this is step one. Okay, step one, you put the overnight peas that you soaked in the water. You put it in the pot with your garlic or garlic powder. Just put it in the morning, and when you're ready to cook, you can just take it out. So maybe about 2-3 hours you can put it to soak for with some garlic. But I like to put it overnight because the garlic infused in the peas, so it just make the water taste so lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the water. So it's boiling. I'm just gonna take a spoon and see. I'm gonna take one up and see if it's boiled. No, it's not quite ready yet, so it needs to keep boiling. It's not 45 minutes anyway, but 15 minutes, but it's still not boiled. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna season our pot. Okay, you can use fresh coconut milk, or you can use canned or cream. So you need some spring onions, which in Jamaican we call it scallion, and some thyme. You can like to do this and beat it, but I don't see the point because you're only beating out the juice out of it. So what I do, I just cut it in the middle, right in the middle like that, and then I just salt. You're gonna need some pepper, like black pepper, or for me I use cayenne pepper anyway. Pimento seeds in there as well. Let's put this in first and I'll show you the next step. I'm gonna take the lid off. Please, I'm using my hands because my hands are tough. You need to use a tea towel, okay? Please use a tea towel. So that's gone in there, just like that. So I'm just gonna put like half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I think called Scotch bonnet pepper. So we put like a whole Scotch bonnet pepper in it, but I mean, for beginners, if you don't have it, don't worry about it. The main ingredients is already in there, but the Scotch bonnet brings the flavor in a little bit, but it's not greatly important, okay? I'm gonna put some salt in there. I'm not gonna put a lot of salt because, you know, me and salt is not friends. As I said, season this to your liking, because remember, you're gonna put the rice in it afterwards. After you put all your salt and pepper in there, give it a little mix around and make sure that everything is evened out. Also give it a little taste as well. Make sure that it tastes to how you like it, okay? You need to cook. You need to cook the coconut milk. So I cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Don't want to use the kidney beans in the can. The same procedure. If you've got an upset stomach or, you know, indigestion or something like that. So you need to cook the coconut milk. And probably put a little bit of butter in there, or a bit of margarine, whatever you fancy in there as well, to loosen up the rice and stuff. I'm going to put some in mine in a moment. And then you wash your rice, you pop it in there, then you turn the stove down to very low. You cover it firmly with I cover it with foil paper, or sometimes the baking tray paper. You can do the same if you like, and turn it down to slow, and then it cooks perfectly, okay? Remember, do not put too much water in your rice because it will get soft and looking all soppy. So here's my oops. Oh my gosh, I spilled the rice. That's my dinner right there. Give it about 2 washes. So here it is. I'm going to put the rice inside the kidney beans. You can see the rice is not inside the pot. So now I'm going to use a fork. There you go. You turn the cooker down. Now I cover the rice, as you can see. So I cover it so the steam will cook it. Okay? And remember, you have to turn this right down and leave it there to steam. So it's not a hard step to follow, but this is just for beginners. Okay? Okay. Now the 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look and see how the rice and peas is coming on. Remember, the steam is coming out, so be careful how you open it. It'll burn your hand, sorry. And look at this, lovely. You put a lot of water in it. What will happen, it will start to get soft. This is perfection here. But once you cook your rice and it's nice and shelly like this, yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, that's all done. I can taste it to say that the rice is cooked, but I'm sure, look at that. See, it's nothing to do with soft. It's nice and fluffy. And the peas as well cooked. Let me taste it. Yeah. That's it. Peas is nice and soft. Have a look. Come out in your hands. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to my channel and let's cook together.